First night, my own car at the RC compound. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Should be a good night. I don't know which class I'm gonna race in yet, but it's gonna be the 17.5 motor, so either that class or novice since I've never done it. But my car's ready, I'll show that to you, and then I'll show you the track in a little bit. That's my car, first time coming here. Got my buddy helping me set it up, and should be a good time. Also brought the little car, and it's got 18 scale body. This is a smaller one. That's the bigger one right next to it. I'll show you the size difference. Quite a bit different. But I can't wait. It's going to be a fun night. Hopefully I don't run into anybody too bad. And I'm here to learn. Anyway, I'm excited. First night. Can't wait to race. I'll show you the track now.
Teamwork. Teamwork.